Okay, so today we will do advanced functions on chapter 4.5 exponential function. So we discussed yesterday about the graph. We'll go over again. So exponential function is given by y equal to a into b power x. This is the general form of exponential function. Now, if you take a equal to 1, b equal to 2, then you will have 2 power x. This is the function called exponential growth, and the graph of this function will be like this. So this is 0, 1 point. When x is 0, y is 1. And this is called exponential growth. Exponential growth function. So same way, if b is less than 1, then you will have a exponential decay. So say suppose b is equal to 1/2. So we'll remove this and put b equal to 1/2 power x. So b is equal to 1/2 power x. So b is now 1/2. So this will be exponential decay. Why it is called decay? Because the graph will go like this. So this point will remain same, because when x is equal to 0, y equal to 1/2 power 0, which is 1. So this is 0, 1 point. But you can see that as x increases, when x is 10, this will be 1/2 power 10, which is very small value. So as x approaches infinity, y approaches 0. And as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive infinity, because as this becomes smaller and smaller in negative side, when this becomes smaller, that is like -10, -100, this will be bigger and bigger. So this is how the graph of exponential works. Now, what is the domain and range? Domain and range of exponential function. So you can see that when y equal to 2 power x, the domain is x value. It goes to infinity. This side, it can go to minus infinity. So the domain is all real number. So x belongs to all real number. And the range is this. This is your range. So you can see that it will never go into the negative, or it will never touch the y-axis. So the domain range is y greater than 0. That's the range of the exponential function. So the range is all real numbers, but y must be greater than or equal to 0. So this is when your b is greater than 1, and the y-intercept is 0, 1. This is your y-intercept, where x is 0. So this is the key characteristics of exponential function you need to remember. Now, what is the transformation of exponential function? So this is your parent function. We will call this as a parent function of exponential function. And this is always increasing function. So this is an increasing function, right? This is y equal to 2 power x function. And this is in increasing function. And this is your x-intercept, y-intercept, which is 0, 1. Now, when x goes to infinity, y goes to infinity. When x goes to negative infinity, this side, the y approaches 0. So this is your horizontal asymptote, which is y equal to 0. That's your HA. And you can have a different uh, transformation function. So say if your graph is moved plus 1 unit, then this is your new graph. So this graph will move 1 unit up. So this is the graph of your transform function, y equal to 2 power x plus 1. If the graph is moved 1 unit down, then it will be going through this. This will be your 2 power x minus 1. So these are the transformation you can apply to the graph.